What if all the shiny vehicle ads you've seen were lies? What if the genuine legends of the auto industry weren't the newest, most high-tech cars, but the old ones that have been through a lot of damage and are still going strong? We talked to mechanics, long-haul truck drivers, and fleet operators who have worked on cars for a long time and know how to keep them running. They told us about a select group of cars that just won't die. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. No flashy electronics or turbo hype, just honest mechanics. These 20 cars can go more than 500,000 miles without any problems. No problems, no drama, and no regrets. 20. The car that endured longer than its brand. The Pontiac Vibe didn't set out to be a legend, it just happened to become one. At first, it looked like a useful hatchback that students or others who commute would use. But underneath that red arrowhead logo was a soul that came straight from Japan. The Vibe was built in the NUMMI plant in California with help from Toyota. It shared DNA with the Toyota Matrix and, more critically, the Corolla. It had a Toyota 1.8 liter or 2.4 liter engine that was robust, had no problems, and didn't break down. No CVTs, no turbochargers, and no extra parts. Just good old-fashioned reliability. Some owners brag that their odometers read 300,000, 400,000, or even 500,000 miles. These cars frequently don't die until the rust finally wins. What are some common problems? It could be a broken sensor or a small oil leak. But the parts are cheap and every technician in the US knows how to fix them. The Pontiac Vibe was never showy. It didn't growl or run, but it stayed. A simple car that survived longer than its own company. This shows that outstanding engineering is all you need to be a legend. 19. Honda Accord. The quiet perfectionist. The Vibe was a lucky hero, but the Honda Accord was a work of art that would last from day one. Families, commuters, and even taxi drivers have been swearing by this car for years, and with good reason. The K24i VTEC 4-cylinder and the J35 V6 are two famous engines that give it its enchantment. The K24 is the perfect balance. It's chain-driven, smooth, and can handle high revs like it was made for the track. It can handle abuse and neglect and keeps going, frequently outliving its owner's knees. The J35 V6, on the other hand, is a quiet powerhouse. You can easily get 300,000 miles out of your car if you keep up with changing the timing belt and the mounts every now and then. If you turn off the troublesome cylinder deactivation system, your engine will be almost unbreakable. Not only does the Accord last, but it also ages well. Its parts are cheap, its issues are rare, and it seems like it has a lot of value when you sell it. It's more than simply an automobile, it's a part of life. 18. The Subaru Outback is the road warrior. The Subaru Outback is one of the few cars that really earns its miles. People appreciate this car in regions where winter comes first and the pavement ends early. These wagons are coated with snow, mud, and adventure scars from Vermont's woodlands to Colorado's Rockies, but they still start every morning. What's its formula? Easy. A naturally aspirated flat-4 engine, all-wheel drive all the time, and an interior that can handle wet pets and muddy feet. Yes, the early EJ25 engines had that well-known head gasket problem, but Subaru learned from it. The newer FB25 engines were stronger, with timing chains, better sealing, and fewer problems to complain about. What happened? An Outback that won't give up. It's not about speed or luxury, it's about being strong. An automobile for people who think about life in kilometers, not model years. 17. Mazda 3, the artist of precision. You can tell when individuals who care made an automobile. The Mazda 3 experience is all about the strong clicks of the shifter, the beautiful lines in the engine bay, and the gratifying sound of the door closing. The Skyactiv G engine has a 2.5 liter capacity and doesn't need any gimmicks or turbos. It works works because of high compression, good design, and honest mechanics. This motor is made to last. It's chain-driven, runs cool, and may feel like new even after 200,000 miles. Carbon accumulation from direct injection. Possible in theory, but very rare in practice. Most owners drive for years without detecting anything. The Mazda 3 is different from other cars not only because it is reliable, but also because of how it feels. The steering, suspension, and balance all work together to make it fun to drive without being too delicate. Mazda showed that an automobile can be fun and last a long time. The Skyactiv G doesn't just follow trends, it outlives them. Before we continue on, don't forget to subscribe. Here we don't fall for marketing hype. We applaud true engineering that lasts. 16. Hyundai Elantra, the quiet achiever. The Hyundai Elantra doesn't strive to wow you, it just works. Everything works perfectly when you turn the key. The air conditioning is frigid, the fuel gauge hardly moves, and the check engine light stays off for years. This car doesn't shout for attention, it merely quietly goes over 200,000 miles while you go about your day. What is its hidden weapon? The 2.0-liter new MPI engine was a straightforward chain-driven workhorse that came before the Turbo Mania. 15. Kia Soul, the unusual workhorse. The Kia Soul shows that reliability can also have style. It's useful and fun at the same time. A box on wheels that always makes you grin when you see it in the driveway. The 2.0-liter new MPI engine is still there, hidden behind the cool exterior. It was the unsung hero of Hyundai and Kia's most reliable years. It's as basic as changing the oil, filters, and sometimes the bushing for regular maintenance. Owners say they can go 150,000 to 200,000 miles without anything more scary than having to change a belt. 14. The Nissan Maxima, the luxury marathoner. The VQ35 V6 engine of the Nissan Maxima is one of the most powerful engines Japan has ever made. This engine is so smooth and well made that it was on Ward's 10 best engines list for more than 10 years. It has a forged crankshaft, chain-driven timing, and a smooth balance that make it almost impossible to break. The mid-2000s models before CVT took over are the best for purists. They come with 5-speed automatics that are bulletproof or even manual gearboxes. 13. Chevrolet Impala, the blue-collar legend. The Chevrolet Impala is a superb car from two different times. The older models possess the rock-solid 3800 V6, a cast-iron engine that powered fleets, taxis, and police cars all over the country. After you corrected the problem with the plastic intake, it was almost impossible to kill. The 3.6-liter LFX V6 engine was added to later Impalas. It was smoother and stronger, and it kept the heritage of being reliable for extended trips. Fleet mechanics swear by them. With just basic maintenance, these engines may go over 300,000 miles. 12. Mitsubishi Lancer, the soldier of the day. The Mitsubishi Lancer was never meant to be a race vehicle, and that's why it lasted. The 2.0-liter and 2.4-liter 4B engines thrived inside its little frame. These engines were timing chain champions with simple, reliable DNA. No turbos or high-tech tricks, just aluminum blocks that stayed cool and worked even when they were ignored. The Lancer isn't about style, it's about strength. Calm, truthful, and made to last when others don't. 11. Acura TL, a luxury car without the ego. The Acura TL is what Honda made when they wanted to make a luxury automobile without cutting corners. It has one of the best balances of performance, comfort, and reliability ever made from 2009 to 2014. The J35 V6 engine is a work of beauty. It powers anything from fast sedans to family vans, and it does it all with grace. 10. The last honest Bavarian, the BMW 328i, the E90/E93 328i with the N52 straight 6 engine was the final BMW that was really reliable. It wasn't turbocharged. This naturally aspirated beauty was a perfect example of German engineering. No boost, no tricks, just smooth, balanced power. It is reliable because it is simple. There are no weak fuel pumps pumps, no turbo seals that can break, and no carbon buildup. You will have to change the electric water pump and maybe the valve cover gasket, but after that, it will work like clockwork. The 328i might take longer to get to 60 miles per hour than its turbocharged brother, but it gets to 300,000 miles faster. 9. The Volvo 240, the brick that can't be broken. The Volvo 240 isn't simply a car, it's a piece of culture. For almost 20 years, it set the standard for what built to last really means. The 240 was boxy, sturdy, and functional, and it didn't care about horsepower or style. It was made to last longer than expected, and in many situations longer than its owners. Every part of the Volvo 240, from its 2 strong engine blocks to its suspension that couldn't be broken, was made to last. Mechanics joke that the only way to kill one is to not change the oil for 10 years. 8. Ford Crown Victoria, a sedan that can do a lot of work. The Crown Vic wasn't simply tough, it was tough enough for a fleet. It was built on Ford's Panther chassis and had a sedan body over truck-like bones. Because of its body-on-frame design, it could be abused during the day, fixed at night, and put back into use the next day. Police cars and taxis didn't retire, they were taken out of service. What is the secret sauce? The 4.6-liter modular Phi 8 is not too pressured, and the 4-speed automatic can idle for hours or live at redline when needed. Everything from the cooling to the suspension to the steering was made to take a beating. 7. A luxury that lasts longer than the lease. Different outfit, same Panther skeleton. The town car encased the long-lasting quality in silent leather and a peaceful limousine. The 4.6-liter modular V8 hummed along for hundreds of thousands of miles without any drama. It just gave constant torque. Livery fleets enjoyed it because it kept making money even after they paid it off. 500,000 miles. That's merely breaking in for a town car. 6. Infiniti G37, the analog athlete. When old school purity meets daily driver reliability, you get the G37. The VQ37 VHR engine is a naturally aspirated gem that sings to 7,500 RPM without using turbos or other trickery. If you keep the oil and coolant fresh, 300,000 miles is just a stop. Is the oil gallery gasket leaking? Fix it once and forget about it. Even the cars, which are kept cool and serviced, don't mind using up gas. The G37 has hydraulic steering, a manual option, and a soundtrack that makes traffic bearable. It's a future classic that will stay loyal and loud. 5. Tesla Model 3 Long Range. The Model 3 Long Range didn't establish its longevity in theory, it did it in taxi fleets. In the real world, batteries last a long time. Even when they are used a lot, they don't break down all at once. They get worse over time. 2 motors, a pack that keeps its temperature under control, and no engine oil, timing chains, or regular transmissions to take care of. 4. Mercedes-Benz E350 W212. The comeback. The W212 E-Class was a way for Mercedes to recall who they are. Heavy doors, smooth driving, and hardware that feels like it was chosen, not bought. The M276 3.5-liter V6 powers it. It has naturally aspirated calm without any of the old balance shaft drama. When you add the 7G Tronic, you get a driveline that likes extended trips on the interstate. 3. Lexus LS430. Whispered perfection. Give engineers time and no pride, and you'll get the LS430. Close the door, no noise. Start the 3UZFE V8. It should exhale, not roar. Too much oiling, an all aluminum body, and an automatic that is so smooth it tucks each shift in at night. The car doesn't break as long as the timing belt is on time and the fluids are clean. 3 seals, glass with many layers, and interiors that age like good leather gloves. 2. The Buick LeSabre. The quiet, immortal, not glamorous, eternal. The LeSabre sat still for years over the winter and forgave being ignored. Its best feature is GM's 3800 V6 engine, which is a cast iron, pushrod classic that creates torque easily and lasts a long time. Instead of a belt, it has a timing chain and bearings that don't wear out. If you fix the normal problems such as the intake gaskets, coolant elbows, and sometimes the plenum, you've practically basically reset the clock for another 200,000 miles. 1. The Toyota Prius, the unstoppable minimalist. The Prius was made to resist heat and friction, which are two things that kill cars. The Atkinson Cycle 1.5 liter to 1.8 liter engine runs cool and smooth, and the ECVT planetary arrangement has no clutches or gears that can wear out. Nothing inside is trying to break itself apart. The battery, that is a mix of two types: cooled by air, regulated by software, and modular. Cells don't die all at once. They fade away over time. You can also replenish them one at a time. For a good reason, taxi companies love them. If you keep the oil, coolant, and battery fan clean, a Prius will go 500,000 miles with the same calmness as a metronome. Brilliance here isn't loud, it's planned, effective, and never ending. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.